Get to the chopper.
That's my printer. Printer missing. It's gone. Are you okay?
Balenciaga.
But what is Balenciaga?
It's a brand. Like Gucci.
Okay, great. Alright, anyway, the hour started. Let's resume.
I found!
You found!
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Where are you? Okay, wait, I can see where you are. So it's up here somewhere. How did you bounce up?
I did the... Over the, these things? You can, like, slide on them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is this? What am I...
Yeah, I actually clicked on that before, but we must stay focused.
I don't know what this is. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Come here.
You done? Oh, okay. Abby.
I put the speed in the speed run.
Ah! Sorry, I stopped clicking it because I thought it was.
How dare you!
It just
Only
continues at one
fools
point.
Think that you can't try. It doesn't just continue. I mean, it does.
It does.
But we're speed running. We've been through this.
Oh, okay.
Sleeping dinosaur.
All right, can I do the jumpy one this time again? Can I do the jumpy?
Yeah, you want to do that?
It's my-
Okay.
I feel like it's my turn to do jumpy.
I'm gonna do a big dinosaur. Go.
X.
Oh, you have to go back. Sorry. Ah.
Grab.
Go!
It just looks so happy to be there, you know?
Just happy to be included.
Grab what you gotta grab,
I need
King.
a- Go. Wow. Amazing.
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
Oh, that's okay. Right, I thought that was just. Okay, there's another. No. Okay, I guess that doesn't need to be done. It's just there, just in case. No, stop getting off it. Ah. No. Oh wait. No. Yeah, do it again. Sorry, I beat. And do it again. Perfect. And we're gonna go back over here.
It's so cute.
I'm just happy to be included.
Like, yay, someone wants to play with me again.
Let me nom this. Yay. Alright, we're doing this.
No!
Oh yeah, that's right, I guess.
He was just happy to be included. He was just happy to be included, you
Okay,
know?
you need to jump on the wall and then like slowly slide down. Like, oh, I'm not close enough.
I was trying to play it off, but I knew it was dying.
You were just like, I was like, you're being quiet because you're just trying not to panic.
I don't panic, but yes, I see what you mean.
It's okay, checkpoint.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, no.
You just got to jump down through the gap. Just walk forward. I'm pretty sure it will just let you if you walk forward.
You just...
No, you just like scooting forward. Okay.
Wait. I got this. Awesome.
Okay, what am I doing?
SLAYED,
There we go.
that's what.
Ah, pop off.
And that's what I call speedrunning. Thank
Oh
you very
yeah,
much.
that's right.
Thank you very much.
We did that in record time. Oh, sorry.
I mean, technically, yeah, in record time, isn't it?
Why
It
do I
is,
smell
yeah.
smoke?
Smoke? I don't smell anything. Your nose has always been sensitive.
Definitely because there aren't any entries for the category.
No, we're just really good at this.
We're really good at this.
Yeah. We're seasoned.
We play video games all the time. The amount of times that we play this game, practicing, preparing.
I play video games so much.
At
And
least
probably
20
not just
take
Minecraft.
Nice! We're doing
We
good.
said
we were just like...
just pretend
Let's
we're both
go.
steering to the same thing.
How about I just...
Oh, you just keep paddling.
Can we... How do we... Oh. Oh, got it. Okay.
How do you shoot?
Uh,
Liking this firepower.
Oh, we're supposed to shoot them.
They've got cannons too.
so, I guess we can just skip it.
We don't skip anything. We'll
No,
speed.
you keep going forward.
Get out of our way.
And you stop. Why does it stop?
You go
Oh.
forward.
Cannibal.
I was going... Oh, okay. So to rotate, I can't be the only one going. Like, you have to go
We have
backwards.
to both do it. Yeah.
So we can only go forward and rotate. That's weird. It's...
It makes sense. Like a canoe.
Go.
Hyperdrive.
Die. Oh, we're both trying to... just go for it. Let's just skip. Let's just go to the next area. We're just gonna go. Oh yeah. We'll just go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Skip.
Yeah, sorry. I was kind of distracted. Alright. That's right. It's so good.
It's Griffin's random tunnel. No, it's Griffin's random tunnel!
Can we go through the random tunnel?
I wanna go through the random
I feel like we
tunnel.
can't go through the random tunnel.
Then why did it open?
We're too large to go in the
Why
random
did it
tunnel.
open?
I feel like this might be a glitch.
No, please!
No, we can't.
Please!
We can't. Look, we can't.
Why
It's
did they
literally
open
just...
it? We're gonna die. No, we don't. We're chill.
Yeah, okay, you go forward. And just shoot. Just shoot. We're just shooting. We're just shooting. Because we're just better. That's right. We're going forward. And
Nice.
we're going forward. And we're doing this. And we're doing great. Because we're amazing. And we're speedrunners. And we're professionals.
Fax, no printer.
Fax, no printer. Printer missing. It's gone.
Ooh, yeah.
Where is it? We don't know!
We don't know.
No one knows!
Straight into the icebox now.
Difficult.
Hey, little fellas.
Ooh.
Penguins.
So this is the snow. You couldn't tell by the icy blue shades around
But
us.
it just ends. Look, we're back in tropics.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Look at that. Off to the left.
Oh, look
There's
at
a palm
that,
tree.
Look at all that ice and snow.
No, we're going to the left.
Look at all that ice and snow. You know?
Alright, and just fire. We're just gonna fire.
Maybe
Just gonna ow. That
scratching.
was so rude. And did half our ship's damage. So we don't want to do that again. You are not shooting. Why are you not shooting?
Because we're not pointing at the stupid thing! I'm trying to brain.
doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't matter. Just
We
shoot.
weren't
Because there's like
pointing-
a chance that we'll
we
hit
weren't
it.
pointing it at all. And I was trying to.
I was
turn
trying
us.
to
I was
as
trying
well.
to turn us, so I wasn't thinking about pointing because then I would, and then when you do,
Thank you.
Oh, my
I will cry.
ah, we're
Oh my
stuck.
God.
It's a whirlpool.
Even I will.
Shoot our way out.
You stop turning. Do you know which one you are?
I'm just a little bit fuzzled.
Okay. We're gonna go for the head. We're gonna rotate to the head. And when something else pops up, we're gonna rotate to that first. And we're just gonna... Okay.
Keep
And
firing.
we're gonna rotate to that
I'm
one.
forward.
You go forward. And you go backwards. You go forward. A little bit. You go backwards. And just leave it. And you go backwards. And you stay... Oh.
Never mind.
Never mind. Just scoops us up. Pulls us down.
Those are not friendly ducks. Keep them away.
Backwards. Yeah, just keep going backwards. You just keep going backwards. Go backwards, go backwards, go backwards, go backwards. And you just hold backwards and I'll like stop when we don't need to rotate. Alright. It's fine. That section's over. And you go forwards. Okay. That was just rude, in all honesty. And...
You alright, mate?
My head's spinning, but still on.
Okay, and rotating to... Oh, okay. And strategizing, and we're just gonna shoot the octopus because... You know,
Okay.
the octopus has a pirate hat, but its name's only Giant
Grow up
Octopus. Like, I
now.
feel like they could have been a
Shut
little
up
more
and keep
creative.
shooting.
Well, maybe that's his name. Maybe it's his parents' fault. Or their parents' fault. I don't know.
Is the octopus like a toy? Would it be a toy in... Oh yeah, no it would.
Yes.
Okay, so this is you homeschooling our daughter. And our
She
daughter's
obviously
education
doesn't-
level
She
not
obviously
being...
doesn't use it anymore. It's when she used to have bath time with me. And can I tell you, she used to love bath time, alright? And you were never there for it, so
Yeah, that's true.
you can't say anything.
Don't ever buy
Well, I
roses
wasn't gonna
with
wash
more
it.
than 2 arms again,
Thank you.
okay?
I was gonna wash our daughter after, you know, her just being in the dirt all day. You know, back when you used to have passions about your garden. You know, you just...
Who ruined that passion? You, first of all.
I didn't
Second
do-
of all,
I'm never home, apparently.
Let me finish.
How could I ruin your passion?
Oh, let me finish.
Alright, I'll hear you out.
The daughter in the dirt. And you want to know why? She doesn't get sick anymore. She's immune to like everything.
Kinda like that haunted
Because of me.
house ride.
Really?
Please don't remind
Because-
me.
You were so
I think she's
scared.
pretty sick of your
Didn't
attitude
like it either.
Yeah. The
recently.
worst first date ever.
Says you.
There's a...
Bye.
I
Well,
can
I'm
hope
sick
we
of your
survive this
attitude,
ride
and that's
too.
what our daughter
Happy
has in
confetti
common.
and stuff, and we're just arguing.
Oh, what is this?
Let's go.
No, we must
Okay,
stay
let's go.
focused. Oh wait, this is what we have to do, right?
Yeah. Did you think this was a minigame?
Yeah.
No! Ah,
Run.
okay. No! Alright, I'll try again. Great. No! Stop! That's what I did the first time.
It's okay, I got it, bestie. I got it. Good shot.
Nice. Great.
We always do.
Where's it go? I was going in here. Wow. Alright, get in the hamster wheel.
Connected to each other.
Well, let's find out.
Okay, let's get this ball rolling then.
Okay, I'm in the hamster wheel now. Okay, you get in the next hamster wheel. Damn it. Okay, you need get in the first hamster wheel.
That's what I tried to do.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
In the
I'm
first
trying.
place,
I'm trying
but your
to
big ass
strategize.
booty was in the way.
Look at the seal.
Hold it for you so you can.
Thank you.
Oh, so welcome.
No. I'll try to be fast, but just wasn't working. All right.
Hey, that's our ball.
Oh, right. Come on, let's get it.
We're just... Patience is key.
I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. No one appreciates my skill. Oh. No, no one appreciates. What am I doing? Where am I going?
I'm just... You know what?
Who is me?
Let me
Oh,
tickle
like I
your
literally have
toes.
to start
I
again.
want to tickle your toes.
Leave the toes alone.
Let me tickle your toes. I want to tickle them. Desperately.
I hope this works.
Wait, what? Nice!
Get in. Oh.
No, your turn to get in. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, I forgot I had to.
That's that one.
yeah, you gotta like... Ah! Okay, wait. No, I missed! If I miss, I'm just gonna die as soon as possible. What does that sound? Wait, let me just... Okay. Awesome, we did it. You're not even gonna attempt?
We're just gonna YOLO it. It's alright. Alright, yeah, I will attempt. No, get.
Too bad. Go. This was the perfect angle. But you're doing great.
No!
See?
I hate you!
What? How did that not count?
Not lined up, too bad.
This isn't gonna.
Oh my god, can you just wait like 2 seconds?
See, once you shoot me, you can jump in and like get a line. Oh.
No, but I don't have time. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the line again. Oh, it didn't work. What? Okay.
That's it.
Ah! Wait! I was went around the other side.
I love just spamming it when I spawn in. It's so good. Ow.
No! Okay, we got this. We got this. Look, just gotta. Okay, that is the angle. Okay, you fix it.
Go. You're kidding me. You're actually kidding me.
Yay!
Good job.
We did it. Okay, what happens now? It goes over there, and then there's a thing that pops up. I'm gonna jump on the start one so that I can get over a little faster. Amazing. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. And it's just gonna pop out. Oh, and you had to be there.
It's almost like this game's about teamwork or something.
It's
Bit
not about
wild.
teamwork.
Bit of a stretch. It's not about. It's not about teamwork.
Were you just standing there waiting for it to go over?
Well, because last time I did it too soon. Oh.
Cody! Get over here!
Last time I did it too soon, you see.
Hey!
I'm not doing. I'm not doing anything.
Whoa, hey,
You
watch
really
it.
not?
Yeah. It's almost like it works. Whee.
Wow.
I didn't do this last time. I think Bulbatron did.
Do you wanna... I'll go to the other side. You got that
I
one, right?
genuinely don't know what's here. I don't think I've ever done this.
No, so you gotta pick up the ball.
Why did you pick up these?
Oh! That was hilarious.
I'm always
Hilarious! Are you okay? What?
I had the ball. I was like so down, and then it was like press like R2, and then it just dropped it. I was like,
Yeah, you have to. No! You have to swing.
oh, so,
You have to swing.
So funny, so funny. Well, it didn't show me this bit because you weren't there. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like we should be swinging at the same time.
Alright, and let's just go in and out.
Let's get stationary
and
again. Get
In.
stationary.
No, and out. Just do it. Just follow it. And
in.
and out. And in. And you throw
And
it
I'm
on the
gonna
next one.
throw it.
And oh, okay. I was whoa. Amazing. Wonderful. Look at you look at me.
Okay, I got the ball. It's slingshot time. Okay, I got the ball. It's slingshot time.
What, you're kidding
I
me?
can't double jump when I've got. Oh, okay.
It's happy confetti. Oh, wait, how do you jump on these? Oh. I thought they were gonna be bouncy and then they weren't.
No. Very annoying.
But it makes sense.
Come on, Cody. I need you. For now.
Honey, do I care?
I need you to sort this problem that you got us into.
Whee! Oh.
I think we just gotta.
Eat that, clown.
Send my blessings to.
Well done. Send my blessings to the Queen.
We'll send our blessings, alright. We're wanted by the police, Wallace! I mean, Gromit. Gromit!
Wake up, Gromit!
Isn't this the way we came?
Oh. Why would it let us go backwards? There's only one button.
I don't know, man. It's sus.
Cody,
And this is not the way
tracks
we
are
came,
ending.
though.
Oh no!
Can I? No, we can't.
Cody, the tracks are ending!
Oh no! I forgot I never finished building the train.
Listen, listen. Is this all a metaphor?
Wow. You and Rose built all of
Metaphor
this?
these nuts.
We sure did.
It's not bad, Cody. Not bad.
Why? How? What was funny about
It was a
that?
pity laugh.
Oh. Fair enough.
You must stay focused.
How do we get to the...
That must be the castle gate over there.
I don't know where this goes, but I'm doing it.
Oh wait, I remember.
Jump in the Cadillac. Some more.
Can you see me?
Anything you want, just to put a smile on it.
Where I am is where we need
You
to go. I
deserve
believe.
it, baby. Oh my god, you're so far away, dude.
No. So you go through the kingdom. Yeah. You go through the kingdom. You go up those stairs. You go across that bridge gap thing. Oh, that way as well. That works. Oh, and you can... Okay, right. I was just here because I thought that was still the only way
Must be
up.
a way in.
I just kind of YOLO'd it, to be fair. I also
So
have
we've
no
got
idea
this
where I
big
am.
crane
Oh!
here.
Oh, I'm here!
I'm sure it could be useful.
Do you have to go all the way around? You really have to go all the way around. Oh, yeah, you do, because I have to knock over some things. Let me
That's what I
just...
thought.
I'm going for a strike with this baby.
Ta-da!
Jenga!
Ah, look at that. Oh, beautiful.
Wait, do people in other
Hey,
countries
I got
call it
an
Jenga?
idea.
No, they must.
Let's
They-
go boating.
Isn't it like a...
There's a brand,
All
that's
we
not
need
what
to
it's
do is
actually
knock on the
called.
front door.
It's called like Tumbling Towers or something.
And forward! And forward! And forward! And forward!
Oh,
One more.
Oh,
Oh, we did it.
anticlimactic.
Amazing.
Let's go.
I don't remember all the buttons I have.
One shoot, many shoots.
Bro,
Teleport.
my dude, let's go.
I was sorting out how to use
You
the
got a
buttons.
teleport
Can't
over there.
stop me, Gate.
My God. Now let me through.
Open the door.
You're welcome.
Ha! Easy.
Thanks for the love.
Freeze attack.
Glad I actually have useful powers.
Amazing. Okay. Just didn't like the way you were.
Sorry, I'm actually
Oh, I
getting.
died.
I'm actually getting
Oh,
attacked.
this is a thing.
I'll have you know, I was getting attacked. I'm so sorry. I genuinely forgot that you were.
I kind of forget. What is? Oh,
You're seriously. You both experiment and fail at the same time.
amazing.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
Okay, and then I dash across here and press the button and you go across
Oh.
the original bridge. No, it's
That would have been useful.
Wow. Okay.
speed running.
That's pretty cool, Cody.
Wow. Freeze. Ah, okay. No!
I forgot that we can't jump,
You-
jump, dash.
No!
I forgot that we can't jump, jump, dash.
It's a different game now.
Checkpoint.
Okay.
go.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go. Oh, what up? What's up,
Like
my
you're
bro?
not the only magic
What's up?
user.
There's
What you
only
doing?
room for one.
How you feeling today?
You're
Okay,
up,
amazing.
mate. Give it
Let's
hell.
just get over here and group one down. Yeah, that's right. Get them going. Oh,
Get him, Cody. I'll hold off the
very
others
good.
here.
Almost die. Now. No. Okay, I died.
Ah!
Don't
What?
die. Don't die.
What?
Okay, I'm back. think we killed them. Yeah, let's go.
You're too hot, man.
Oh, there's still people left. Who cares? Let's just skip
Oh,
it.
true. I wish I could sprint, but I cannot.
I know. I'm making me upsetty spaghetti. Ow. Well, I don't care. Let's just skip. Leave them.
Speed run.
It doesn't matter. Just using my ultimate ability.
Trapped to prisoners. Nothing's ever easy.
Okay. Okay. We're doing great. Okay.
Hello. So,
Nice.
no. Ah! Okay, let's go.
We're doing great.
I don't have time for them to have food.
They keep passing me.
Not going anywhere.
Time to freeze some stuff. Freeze as we go.
Just mad that you have to rely on me.
We gotta dodge the.
Don't worry, man.
Okay.
I will
I beat. No. Okay. Stay alive.
Ah! Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive!
It's okay. I'm chilling. I'm just gonna. Oh, wow. How did you get it?
Stay
Okay,
alive.
I pressed the wrong button, so. Okay, cool. We did it. Chilling over here. Let's go.
I can't run while I'm shooting.
We're dashing.
My dashing is almost slower than running. I don't know.
Oh, we're almost at the end of this.
We did kind of just run past it.
Ah! What is
That's
that?
true.
it looks like a baking doll.
Alright, I think
Just keep going.
the aim of the game is just to stay on the same
Why
side.
did you buy that creepy toy for
Like,
Rose?
you know how there's
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
multiple
yeah.
walls and
Gotcha,
stuff?
gotcha. I like it, man. I like it.
Oh, okay, well this one. We can't, but that's okay.
Come on, Dave.
Here.
I'm stuck in a
Help
corner.
you.
Swinging as fast
No,
as I
no,
can.
you're
I'm
not.
stuck in
No,
a
you're not.
corner.
Wait, you're not stuck in a corner. What are you
I
talking
was
about?
stuck in a corner for so long.
Okay. Alright, we go.
I keep getting stuck in things.
Oh,
I'm so
I keep
scared.
accidentally pressing the wrong button.
Keep pressing.
Let's go.
scared.
Okay, there's things at the end that we gotta
No!
destroy. There's things at the end we gotta destroy.
Ben?
It's okay though. It's okay.
I got stuck using
It's okay.
stupid power. Too much is happening. I can't see what's happening.
You did it! Yay! Honestly, that thing is so creepy.
That was horrible. That was creepy, and that wasn't fun. That was not vibey.
Just the thumbs up.
Good job.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay, we still have another one. Okay, I forgot about this one.
Oh, crap.
I'm just gonna stand over here by the chain, I guess.
You know, something big and scary who eats prisoners.
I'm
Okay,
over
your
here.
turn.
We can't damage it like this.
They're not going anywhere.
No.
Alright, my turn.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh no, it's just going for you again. Okay, also. Oh, there's people down there. So, it's still going for you, by the way. I don't know who it's going for, but that's fine. Alright, now we're both just gonna be on the opposite side, I think.
Ow, I didn't know it was still charging me.
Oh yeah, it's still charging you, by the way. I hope that
It's charging
helps.
you now.
Dave, kill him.
Alright, quick, get to the hand.
Get to chopper. For what?
To his hand. Get to. Okay, well, I'm apparently not allowed to do it by myself. Oh, okay.
Struggle is real.
Alright, see that hand right there? You ruined that one.
It's all
And I'll
mine.
get this
It's all
one.
mine.
Yay!
Drink break.
Time for a sip.
The elephant gate, come on.
Oh, yes, the chess.
We just have to
It's hard being good at chess.
forget what we have to do.
No, we have to avoid them. Oh, wait,
But
no.
I'm doing damage to them.
We have to attack. We have to avoid everything else.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing like my. I don't know. Just damage. I'm just doing damage. I also can't see where I am. Ow, that hurt. That really hurt, Charlie.
Jack the horses.
I think I keep recovering health at quite a large rate.
I hate how I can't move when I'm using my power thing.
No. Well, if I'm. Oh. Okay. I didn't even realize I was dying. Kind of didn't really.
Bit of a dumb moment there.
Oh, there's horses. Okay, amazing. Alright, I'm just gonna block and just damage you. We're just dying now. Amazing. Alright.
Ah!
I'm just hitting the king over and over again. Oh, okay. Time to just. Yay, we did it!
Good job!
Holding down 0 for the cutscene. No? No
Big
cutscene? I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go kill an innocent elephant.
What? We're not gonna kill it. We're just gonna.
Rip off its limbs.
Yeah. Surgery.
Hmm.
I would say it's surgery.
No.
Cosmetic
remember, we
surgery.
must stay
Do this, but
focused.
we have
No!
to.
Great.
No.
Is she over here?
Rose cry.
Oh.
It's
Did we
nothing
police it?
personal.
Oh, that
We
was in
just
the
need to
cutscene.
break this spell.
Apologies. Oh, I hate this one so much.
Okay, are you gonna I'll do the
Yeah.
directing. Directing?
You direct it and then I'll slam
Oh,
it down.
now.
Oh!
Ah, perfect.
We're so good at this. It's almost like we're speedrunners or something.
Let's go pull off an elephant's ear.
Hurry before she escapes.
Dude, you're lacking.
Oh, I was looking at your screen. I
You're
thought it was
lacking.
already there.
No, I'm just
I'm
simply,
sorry.
I'm simply
I'm sorry.
better than you in every
I'm sorry.
way.
Let's go.
Yeah, we don't like violence.
I got the first. God, it's hard being this good.
I understand why you're popular with the ladies. Oh no, your leg! Oh dear.
I don't actually care.
Let's pull.
Alright, keep away. Keep.
It doesn't
Bro.
matter. We just have to go.
But please, quiet and
There's no avoiding her struggling.
God, just stop struggling. Let us kill you already.
Yeah, jeez. It's like so rude, in all honesty.
Yeah. I'm proud of her for trying so hard, you know?
You know, it's a true credit to her nature.
Yeah.
I was like, wait,
I pressed the
what's
right
happening? Why did we stop?
I pressed two buttons.
Don't press buttons. Just go forward. Just go forward.
No button, only forth.
Whoa. Oof. That looks like it would hurt.
I think she's tricking us. Pull me.
First,
Oh, yeah. I was
really far behind.
I was not paying. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for next
No, you're
time.
not ready yet.
I'm ready for next time.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
ready.
not.
Ready? You ready for this? Oh.
We don't need to.
Wait. Now? No. They jump rope instead.
If I was her, I'd just pull you down. I'd just pull him down with me. First!
I'm so how are you so much better at this?
Like you said, I'm good with the lip.
You know, I can not make it a compliment. I can turn it around. I could say something like, you clearly spend a lot of time alone.
Listen,
Yeah,
listen,
see,
listen.
I was trying to be complimentary.
All of them are bad.
and you're
All of
just-
them are bad.
Yeah, that's fair.
I think what you needed to say was that I must be really good at typing. I must be really good at
Typing,
opening
yeah.
jars.
You're what?
What?
Jars? That
I mean, to be fair, I used to text really fast. I used to back in COVID. I used to talk to people a lot. It was like speed.
speed.
Wooden dolls.
Clone time.
We have to make the two meet. Let's just do it. We need Rose's letter to break the spell.
And off they go.
Oh, I can do my sprinting again.
Oh. How did I make it?
Wait,
I didn't do
was
it.
I not meant to make it?
I don't think any of us were meant to make it, but I just kind of yeeted it through. You know what I mean?
Oh wait, I forgot.
Because we're
My bad.
speed runners.
Give me 2 seconds. Leave clone.
Hey, maybe you can reach the door before.
Wow.
Why does she turn like that?
Because she's
A pretty
Um,
ballerina.
Slay Queen Girl Boss is what she is. A what are we going?
What? How did I end
How
up
did you
here?
get over there? Oh, okay, I remember this.
No, you don't.
I
You're fooling
vaguely remember
yourself. You're
this.
fooling yourself.
Probably.
I remember this.
You should shut up.
No.
Oh no, I've got to go do the thing, and you have to do the time thing on the hook, so that it's higher. Yeah, well, that works from there as well.
Speed running.
Speed run. Let's go.
Say,
Oh! I was actually like, wow, how am I speed running this so good?
Ah! Okay, I kind of forgot.
Do it.
Nice. Leave code. Run away. Ah! Okay. You know what? That works. And the other way now.
Speed runners.
Doo-doo-doo-doo. How dare you do this to my brain?
Oh, what a nice oh!
That's what I hear in my brain when you say speed run.
Speed run. Yeah.
What am I doing?
So that that's down, and then I can.
Sorry, yeah.
No, it's okay. There we go. Perfect.
I was focusing on this. I was like, what is that? Oh, which is what I have to do now.
Oh wait, no. Okay.
Oh no, it is.
No? Is it? Oh, it's a separate thing. Okay. So,
There's too many things going on right now.
and then what? And up. I think I can just jump. Amazing.
Wonderful.
there we go.
Speeded. What?
You start going backwards.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening. Oh. What is this one?
Gotta hit them pieces.
Oh, right. I've got a flap. And, like a second one over here or something. What? Ta-da. Amazing.
Oh, Cody, look
All
at
right,
this one
get
in
on.
the center.
Yay!
Sorry. I was
Thank
looking
you.
at the pretty shapes and colors.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, wait, no, I need to do the... Oh, it doesn't matter which one to do first. Let's
Gotta
go.
keep following those dolls.
Am I pressing hold on? Oh, what? Just ended up on a random thing.
Oh, the house is on fire! Well, wouldn't fire.
The dolls need our help.
Let me up. Let me. It won't let me up. I need to get up. Ah.
Please just dunk these. Like a tea bag.
Success once again!
Amazing.
There they
Alright, let's
go.
go.
I wonder where they're going.
Ah. Wait, what are you?
I'm off.
But the bridge, no,
Yeah,
the bridge.
I know.
The bridge!
I know.
Come back!
It's a little bridge. Ooh, it's a little bridge. I'm a little bridge guy. Just a little bridge guy. That's me, little bridge guy. Ah! That was open before.
Yeah, it was. That's the point. It's now not.
What?
Look.
Let's go. What happens here? I forget. Okay, there's nothing to do with that. Do we... Oh, there's now a thing for us to interact with. Let's go.
All right.
Let's do it.
Now,
What?
Cody.
open
Where?
this gate.
I'm like,
What?
hey.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't realize what was happening. Okay, I'm meant to set the time. So...
Oh. Which one am I? Oh, I'm the one that goes up. I'm the one who walks.
I was just doing circles.
Yeah, me
Because I
too.
didn't realize what was...
Yeah. Speedrun.
They can fly.
Ah!
Of course they can!
I hate...
Yeah, but they're made of metal.
Ah, okay. That was fine.
Okay, smarty pants.
Where we go?
But
We're going
these
over
aren't
here?
machines.
Amazing.
Flying bird.
Sorry.
Look at that power. We might be able to land on it.
Symptoms, am I right? I mean, leftover. I mean. Jesus! Yeah, kill your. Oh,
It's coming with us.
no! Mine's on the roof. I landed on the helipad. Look, we're already running. That
Ah.
turned us around.
Bad.
Jesus.
Let's get out of here ASAP.
Excuse me.
We have to solve the
Alright.
puzzle first.
You sound so enthusiastic.
Oh yeah, those symbols look so intriguing. I wonder what they are.
Better run, it's gonna drop this in a second.
A ghost.
It's just a sculpture.
Oh,
Creepy
come,
as hell.
come back. Come back. I need to get back across without dying, or else I think it resets the clone. Alright. So,
Well, we got King.
first is B. Second is bird. Third is cat. Fourth is moon. Fifth is dog. And last is sun.
Didn't want to
When
see
I
you
saw
just
your
yet.
face, wah, unbelievable,
And
not a trace, that in my mind, I'm in love, ooh.
Let's see what you can do.
Got one. Oh, it's about to get messy.
Alley-oop.
Where are we throwing these at? Oh, I'm in the completely wrong spot.
I can't carry that. Alright, done.
But I finally go on this dome.
It's alright. Now we go to the other tower.
Whatever.
We speed run to the other
I
tower.
went all the way to the other
Yeah, it's like a force field. My bird is coming once again. You're doing great.
Thanks.
Oh my god, Geraldine's coming with us?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I brought along Charlotta.
Oh, they're
Yes,
besties.
I know.
Shut up. Whee!
Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay, it doesn't like...
Wait, it's not
No.
green.
Right, yeah, I was like...
Go.
Can you bridge? Bridge me over. Bridge me over. Bridge me over.
We're gonna jump this way.
This
Okay,
is
so I need the second
green.
one to be green. Okay. Some blue. Wait, don't go
I'm
yet.
blue. Okay.
You can't just say I'm on blue.
I
Wait. You can't just jump. You can't just jump.
no, wait, I didn't.
Because this gets so
Okay,
confusing
blue.
because it's not left and right.
It's blue,
It's
okay.
sideways.
So we're going blue. And, oh,
You
phenomenal.
didn't give me
We
enough
did
time to
great.
get from red to green.
So we didn't actually like change anything there. We just got through an obstacle course, and for some reason that unlocks the tower.
I pressed the button. There's a button.
There's a button.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, I pressed the button. Sucks to be you, I guess.
What's our birds? Oh, they're behind us. I was like, wait, we lost our bird.
Can I throw one this time?
Yeah, definitely.
Can I throw one this time?
You want to throw one?
Yeah.
You want to throw hands?
I do actually. Wait, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, I don't know. No, wait, where are we going? Oh! It's always back at the one we just were, I don't think about it.
Alright.
I did it.
You're doing amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. Stay alive.
That weird bubble is gone.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, it is.
Oh, cup.
It didn't look like it. It's the other.
Now you
Oh, my
need to,
screen.
you have
Gotta
to
forward
go
for a
to
second.
the...
Okay, I got this. Oh, I swear to God.
We're doing great. Look at that. Amazing.
I can't take the bird with me. Oh.
No.
I don't like that sound. Do we really have to follow them?
Yes, or we'll never get out of here.
Ahem.
Fine.
Apologies, I got a text from my wife.
Your wife?
Yeah.
Which one?
One of them, that's for sure.
Wow.
Hey,
wait a minute.
do something!
What? Me?
So we're gonna die.
Oh, right. I gotta...
Slow it
Yeah.
down.
Let me just...
Someone help!
Right. Bye.
Hey, hurry up!
Wow, I almost thought we wouldn't make it.
Almost.
Now, I forget what happens. I feel like there's that...
I thought we were done for.
And we made it.
So far we did.
Whee, round around the rosy, full of rosy.
A tissue. A tissue. We all fall down. Wow.
Wow.
What,
Wow.
what's happening? Oh, cutscene.
Which we're gonna skip right on
We
past.
can't.
We're just gonna skip right
It's not
on
letting
past
us.
that one, darling.
He's not letting us.
What
Wait,
about
oh, I'm
going
running.
to some
I'm running.
place
I'm doing it.
Yeah.
I can't dash. But I'm
Cody,
running.
why do you run
with
so
no real
mean, man?
functionality?
Center of
It's
mass.
beautiful, but
To
it
readjust.
doesn't make any sense.
Maximum
Why do you
acceleration.
always have to make sense of everything?
Then why is he
Someone has
losing?
to. And I know it's not you.
Maybe you
'Cause-
can't explain every little thing that happens in life.
What sounds faster, Cody or
Like that
May?
thought.
Cody. Cody.
No.
May. You know what I mean?
No.
Cody. May. Not May. Cody. It doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound right. May is definitely a May. You said which one sounds slower or faster or
I don't like the look
whatever.
of that guy.
Relax. He can't move.
Now he's there just for decoration.
He's clearly a gatekeeper.
Yeah, the
Oh,
gatekeeper.
okay. We're going on your side.
Hey,
We're
look,
going on the tracks on
Theo.
your side.
Seems like we're gonna need some keys.
Uh-huh. Okay, there's a... How are you... No! Don't... Ah.
I hate everything. Jump, jump, dash.
Alright, I'm here. No, different one.
I know the one.
I'm at...
Trust me.
No, you don't. You've gone past it. Yay!
I just had to get the right angle.
Bruh. No. Wait, where am I?
You passed it.
Shut up! Okay. Ow. Sorry. Oh, I remember doing this last time. I just kept failing. And I was just sorry. Every single time.
It's because I'm just better at the job. Jump. I feel so classic right now.
What? Why? How?
It kept moving my screen around because I was focusing on different, like, speed up thingies.
Keys.
You don't understand.
Then what happens next? Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. Let's go. We have the key. To the back. Come back.
I need that. I know everything.
Is this the right one? I don't know. Like, was this the one we're supposed to do first? Yeah. Oh, rotate. Yes. Look at that spin. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Might as well be wearing a wedding dress. Amazing.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. You look gorgeous, though. Absolutely gorgeous. So magnificent.